Hundreds of thousands of toxic water victims have waited decades for justice. Now, there could be a step potentially in the right direction. Hi, everybody. Ruben Jones. If you're not familiar with this story, decades ago, from 1953 to 1987, around 1 million people were estimated to have been exposed to toxic water at Camp Lejeune in North Carolina, the Marine Corps base. Some people were sick because of the water, and some people even died. Well, in 2022, President Joe Biden signed bipartisan legislation that allowed the victims to take legal action against the federal government. Well, about 4 years later, very few of them have actually received compensation. In April, Spectrum News found of the 407,000 claims filed, less than 1% have been paid. So what's happening behind the scenes is that there is a team of attorneys representing the plaintiffs, the victims, and then there's the Department of Justice representing the federal government. And they have been trying to negotiate a framework for how these people will be compensated. Well, recently, in late June, the federal court of Eastern District of North Carolina sent an order that said they must reach an agreement and come together on finding a mass settlement by October 30th. Or the court says the leadership team for the victims, the plaintiffs, could be replaced, and it will look at potential options for the Department of Justice. It says the legal teams need to meet once a week up until that October 30th deadline. This step could be potentially significant.
This is a very positive thing for the court to do. We welcome it. The court is telling everybody there's no reason why, with everything we now know, all the discovery's been done, the parties can't sit down and get it resolved.
That's Ed Bell, who is the court-appointed lead attorney representing the victims in the negotiations. And he tells me that he has seen renewed energy by both legal teams to get an agreement since the court sent down this order. We'll see, though, if they're able to get anything done by October 30th. There is so much frustration from the victims, and you've got victims who have died waiting for justice and have not received that compensation. So the anger is out there, and they want something done on this. We'll see. October 30th is the deadline.